Dance.
Hey Judy Squad, it's Alexis Nicole and I'm back with another video. And if you're new, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the squad too. For today's video, I will be reviewing the Revlon hairdryer. And I did order this hairdryer off of Amazon. And you can click the link in the description so you can get the same hairdryer. So with this hairdryer, it says that this is a salon one-step hairdryer and styler. So let's check this out and see what it's all about. So I'm just going to take this out the box. And voila, here it is. For this Revlon hairdryer, it does have 3 settings that you can put it on. You can put it on cool, low, or the high temperature. And you will twist it to get what setting you'll like it to be. And with this hairdryer, you do have the bristles. They're super soft, they're not hard, and you do see the holes where the heat actually comes out of. And this hairdryer is lightweight, it's not heavy at all. I did just wash my hair, so we're going to see exactly how this hairdryer works on natural hair. Next, I'm going to take a loose my twist. And here we are. And I'm going to put it on the highest setting to see how it does on my natural hair. So far so good. Like, I'm really surprised on how much it straightened my hair. I love this hairdryer. It's going to make my life 100 times easier. So now when I'm doing my protective styles, I can easily do them. So instead of my hair being curly, it can be on the straighter side. So it'll be easier to do my style I want. So now I'm about to do the other side and we'll see what the final results will be. Y'all, this hairdryer is amazing. If I had to rate this hairdryer 1 to 10, I will honestly give it a 10. It's, I can't explain it. My hair is dry all the way through. I love it. It's literally dry all the way through. I have no issues, none at all. Wow. And so when I braid my hair, wow, it's gonna be so much easier. Oh wow, I love it. And girls, and guys too, go ahead and get this Revlon hairdryer. You will not be disappointed. If you would like it, go ahead and click the link in the description And trust me, go ahead and click on that link. And that concludes today's video. And thank you so much, Judy Squad, for watching. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the family. And don't forget, you're beautiful, you're strong, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I'll see y'all in the next video.